Unlocking e-commerce success, the power of keyword research. Imagine this. You've poured your heart and soul into creating an amazing online store filled with incredible products. You've spent countless hours perfecting every detail, from the design to the user experience, ensuring that your customers have the best possible shopping experience. But there's a problem. Nobody can find you. Despite all your hard work, your website isn't getting the traffic it deserves. Your products are sitting on virtual shelves, unseen and unpurchased. This is where keyword research comes in. It's the bridge between your amazing products and the customers who are searching for them. It's the secret sauce to getting your products in front of the right customers at the right time. Just like a chef carefully selects the perfect ingredients to create a delicious dish, you need to choose the right keywords to attract your target audience. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into search engines like Google when looking for something specific. They are the digital breadcrumbs that lead potential customers to your online store. By understanding these keywords, you can optimize your website and product descriptions to rank higher in search results. This means that when someone searches for a product you offer, your website is more likely to appear at the top of the search results. This means more visibility, more traffic, and ultimately, more sales. Imagine the excitement of seeing your website traffic increase and your sales numbers climb, all because you took the time to understand and implement effective keyword research. Luckily, you don't need a huge budget to unlock the power of keyword research. There are many free tools available that can help you identify the best keywords for your business. There are fantastic free tools available that can give you a competitive edge. These tools can help you discover which keywords are most relevant to your products and which ones your competitors are using. Let's dive into the top 4 tools you need to know. These tools will not only help you find the right keywords, but also provide insights into search volume, competition, and trends, giving you a comprehensive understanding of how to optimize your online store for success. Google Keyword Planner, your free gateway to search volume. Our first stop is Google Keyword Planner, a powerhouse tool directly from the search engine giant itself. This tool is essential for anyone looking to understand the search landscape and optimize their content strategy. It's completely free to use and provides valuable insights into search volume, the number of times people search for specific keywords. This data is crucial for identifying trends and understanding what your audience is looking for. To get started, you'll need to create a Google Ads account. This might sound daunting, but the process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Don't worry, you don't have to run any ads to access Keyword Planner. Once your account is set up, you can dive right into the tool without any additional costs. Once you're in, simply enter a keyword related to your products or niche. This could be anything from organic skincare to digital marketing tips. Keyword Planner will then generate a list of related keywords along with their estimated monthly search volume. This list is a goldmine for content creators and marketers, providing a clear picture of what people are searching for and how often. By leveraging this data, you can create content that resonates with your audience and drives more traffic to your site. Whether you're writing blog posts, creating videos, or planning social media campaigns, understanding search volume is key to success. Additionally, tracking keyword performance over time can help you refine your strategy and stay ahead of the competition. With Google Keyword Planner, you have a powerful ally in your quest for better search visibility. Mastering Keyword Planner. Benefits and limitations. Google Keyword Planner is a powerful tool for anyone looking to optimize their search engine marketing efforts. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a beginner, understanding its benefits and limitations can significantly impact your strategy. Keyword Planner's biggest advantage is its direct connection to Google, the king of search. This direct link ensures that the data you receive is both accurate and up-to-date, reflecting the latest trends in search behavior. The search volume data is incredibly valuable for understanding the popularity of different keywords. By analyzing this data, you can identify which keywords are trending and which ones are losing traction, allowing you to adjust your strategy accordingly. You can also filter results by location, language, and even device, giving you a laser-focused view of your target audience. This level of granularity helps you tailor your campaigns to specific demographics, increasing the likelihood of reaching your desired audience. However, Keyword Planner does have some limitations. One of the most significant drawbacks is the way it presents search volume data. The search volume data is presented in broad ranges rather than exact numbers. This can be frustrating for marketers who need precise data to make informed decisions. This makes it difficult to get a precise understanding of competition. Without exact numbers, estimating the competitiveness of a keyword becomes more challenging, potentially leading to less effective strategies. Additionally, Keyword Planner primarily focuses on keywords for paid advertising, which may not always align perfectly with organic search. This focus can limit its usefulness for those who are more interested in organic search optimization. Despite these limitations, Keyword Planner remains a valuable tool when used in conjunction with other keyword research tools. By combining data from multiple sources, you can gain a more comprehensive understanding of the keyword landscape. In conclusion, while Google Keyword Planner has its benefits and limitations, it is an essential tool for anyone serious about search engine marketing. Understanding how to leverage its strengths and mitigate its weaknesses can lead to more effective and successful campaigns. Ubersuggest, unearthing keyword goldmines for free. Next up is Ubersuggest, a versatile keyword research tool known for its user-friendly interface and powerful features. Ubersuggest offers a free plan that provides a wealth of data to kickstart your keyword research. Simply enter your seed keyword, and Ubersuggest will generate a comprehensive report. You'll see keyword variations, long-tail keyword suggestions, and even keyword ideas from your competitors. Ubersuggest also provides data on keyword difficulty, helping you identify easier opportunities to rank higher in search results. Ubersuggest for e-commerce newbies, finding your niche. Ubersuggest is an excellent tool for new e-commerce businesses trying to find their footing in the online world. The Content Ideas Report is a goldmine for discovering popular topics and questions related to your niche. This information can be used to create engaging blog posts, product descriptions, and even social media content. Furthermore, Ubersuggest's Top SEO Pages report allows you to spy on your competitors' best-performing pages. By analyzing their keywords and content strategies, you can gain valuable insights and identify opportunities to outrank them in search results. Answer the public, listening to your customers' search queries. Our next tool takes a unique approach to keyword research by focusing on the questions people ask online every day. Answer the Public is a goldmine for uncovering long-tail keywords and understanding your target audience's search intent deeply. Enter a keyword related to your products, and Answer the Public will generate a visual map of questions, prepositions, and comparisons related to that keyword. This information provides invaluable insights into your customers' pain points, desires, and the language they use when searching online, helping you tailor your content effectively. The long and short of it, why long-tail keywords matter. Answer. The Public's strength lies in its ability to uncover long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that target a niche audience. While they may have lower individual search volume, long-tail keywords often convert better because they attract highly motivated buyers who know exactly what they want. For example, instead of targeting the broad keyword shoes, you could target long-tail keywords like best running shoes for flat feet or stylish leather boots for winter. This allows you to focus on specific customer segments and tailor your content to their needs. Keywords everywhere. Free keyword data at your fingertips. Last but not least, we have Keywords Everywhere, a browser extension that injects keyword data directly into your search results. Once installed, Keywords Everywhere displays search volume, cost per click, CPC, and competition data for any keyword you search for on Google, YouTube, Amazon, and other platforms. This constant stream of keyword data is incredibly valuable for brainstorming new ideas, analyzing your competitors' strategies, and understanding the search landscape for your niche. While Keywords Everywhere does offer a paid plan, the free version provides ample data to enhance your keyword research. Combining forces. Maximizing your keyword research arsenal. Each of these free keyword research tools offers its own unique strengths and perspectives. By using them in combination, you can create a powerful keyword strategy that drives targeted traffic to your e-commerce store. Start with Google Keyword Planner to get a general understanding of search volume. Then, dive deeper with Ubersuggest to explore keyword variations, analyze your competitors, and discover content ideas. Use Answer the Public to uncover long-tail keywords and understand your audience's search intent. Finally, leverage keywords everywhere for on-the-go keyword research and competitive analysis. Take action now. Start your free keyword research journey today. Keyword research is an ongoing process, but don't let that intimidate you. By incorporating these free tools into your workflow, you can gain a significant advantage in the competitive world of e-commerce. Start experimenting, analyzing, and refining your keyword strategy. The insights you uncover will be invaluable as you grow your online business and reach more customers than ever before. So what are you waiting for? Start your free keyword research journey today.